Oh, thank you.
Okay. We went from the website, the navigation portion of it, and directly to the resolution. You can't hear? Oh, there we go. Okay. We went directly from the navigation and the website and trying to figure out a resolution, understanding that there's still steps in between. And what we wanted to do with the resolution is giving unique guidance to people who access the website. Now, they had a choice. They could have information meeting. The interface that we create is either an information meeting with an in-person person, and it may not have to be a lawyer who are discussing, it could be different people, but senior people probably. And that would be a cost associated with that. Or they can go and access for a very small premium, the virtual, I guess, component of it. We can ask as many questions as you want, and they would, either through a chat line, an algorithm, and basically it would be detailed more to what the person's looking for. So we have two options here. And during this time, too, we would also be screening for things like violence and unbalanced power. So,
Thank you.
Okay, so in terms of what the output of this process would be, resolution could go in a couple of different ways. One is, and this was probably the first goal, was that the individuals going through the process would end up at the end. We called it a case file, but changed the name to a family folio. This could be the documentation of all your financials, your parenting plans, anything that are relevant to help organize you through this process and keep most of this work out of the courts, right? Self-driven. If you go through the virtual process, we can fill out the forms for you and guide you. If you need to take a detour and get some guidance in person, that's available to you as well. But at the end, this collection of information is what makes this attractive to the attorneys who would participate in this process. What we're hoping is that if an attorney can reach the 80% or so of people who are not currently coming to them, and they come in organized and in agreement on most things, that they might take a limited retainer, and that they would do this at a reduced fee. At the same time, if the individuals want to not go through an attorney, they could go through the process themselves using this documentation. Make sense?